Hi guys, due to some issues with electricity, I could not come in the morning. Current scenario is that this is the support that is 33,810, and this level is really important. I don't think it will break it because you can see all the markets are in positive today, and I really don't think that we would be going into the negative territory. I doubt it. So as you see, this support was, it held quite nicely. It did at this point look like it's going to break, but it did not. So right now the current scenario is that we are stuck over here, and Nifty is the main reason you can say that Bank Nifty is actually coming down. You can see there's a trend line over here, okay, and this trend line was going really nicely, and you can see the false break happening right over here at this point. This is the point where the false break took place. Okay, looks like a false break. The hell am I looking? 1 minute, it's better to type it. So this actually looks like a false break, and we can actually go up. So people might be thinking that today the gap, whatever the gap is there, would be filled, but that does not always happen. And guys, everyone is seeing the market. You're also seeing the market. Everyone is seeing the price action, the beautiful price action. It came down, it went up, it came down, it hovered around here, it broke down over here, and now it's hovering at this point. So according to the price action confluence, it should come down to this level, but I don't think that this will happen, because you can see that Nifty is has given a false breakdown, and Bank Nifty is stuck at this support. So at most we will either remain at this level or maybe go up. The chances of going down are there, but they are low. Okay, globally everything is quite positive. The main reason of this downward scenario is because of the huge gap up. You can see that the gap up which took place today, there was a gap up of more than 1 point, sorry, it was, yeah, it was exactly 1%. So the market opened exactly at 1% gap up, which is not that much, because I have seen the market uh, opening even at 2% gap up, and then even then rallying. But the scenarios are not that positive, and if we were to open at maybe 0.5% gap up, then we could have seen a different scenario. If I show you the chart of other markets, you can see it, this also opened with a gap up, and the gap up was how much, 1.4%, but still it rallied. Okay, and this is Hang Seng, China's market. Then we have Nikkei. Other markets also did kind of like the same. So this is actually the market of uh, South Korea, Kospi, and you can see that even um South Korea's market opened with a gap up, and then it filled up the gap. After filling up the gap, it did go up really nicely. So you can see a gap fill of minus 48%. That's 48%. Okay, minus 48%, it went down, and then you can see the rally more than 1.5%. So I don't think that Bank Nifty would be the weak link over here. It's very rare to see Bank Nifty go down while others go up, unless there's some amount of manipulation happening. It might be that anything can happen in the market. Let's see what happens. But if you have taken a short position, then you can hold on to it, no worries. If you have taken a long position, then I would recommend be careful. If it breaks this candle exactly at 12:30, we can get a downfall, a really nice downfall. Okay, and it seems like it's about to break this point. Let's see. if it sustains or not, or it's a fake breakdown. There's a high chance that it might be fake, but it has to break this point. Once it breaks this support, then only we'll get the confirmation. Until and unless it breaks on 12:30, guys. 12:30 is the time when we can get a good move, even upwards in the upward direction also. Most probably in the upward direction, because this support is not broken. So it's I want to take a buy call over here. Okay, a long call, going contrary to what everyone is thinking. Took a long call over here, and my profit would be this high. Okay, let's see if we get our target. I hope you understood the reason why I took the long call. Okay, I bought the in the money call option, so I have purchased. It's better you go for in the money. 33,800, currently running at a profit of 1,000. So just took one lot. Let's see what happens. Okay, so nice bullish candle right off the bat. We're gonna hold the position. Okay, because this was a really nice support, and we are getting a good risk to reward ratio also over here. Amazing, 1,000 already in profit. So as I had mentioned, guys, I would be taking a buy call over here, and that's contrary to everyone's view, because it's 12:30. We are not going anywhere, it seems. 12:30, and we got the momentum upwards, not downwards, so we are waiting. It's a nice green candle. We have to wait. I hope you understood the reason and logic behind taking a buy call. Obviously, we also have our stop loss. If it hits, then it will hit, no doubt, no problem. But if we get a target, we are going to get a good target. Already got 30 points, but now the pressure is coming. Seems like there are a lot of short sellers. They won't allow the market to go up. So let's see what happens. The main problem with everyone is that when you see small profits, you always uh, take profit at a really small level. If you're making a profit over here, if you are at a profit, then hold the position, it's better. If you're holding the position, and let the profits run. Okay, and don't look at the volatility. You have taken in the money call option, that is 33,800 in the money. After that, it's either going up or going down. So it's better you wait for the stop loss if it hits, and I guarantee you guys, most of the times you will see that your target is getting achieved once you are taking a trade at a good range. This is a good range, okay? We took the trade at a good range. See, this is a false break which I had identified, and it's a nice bullish candle. So it might create some amount of volatility. I'm not saying that it won't create, it might create, but we have to wait over here and see what happens. Okay, overall it's looking bullish, no doubt about it. And you have to go with the market sentiments. Although in the short term you are seeing a downtrend, in the long term you are seeing an uptrend. Okay, so we already have achieved more than 50 points and counting right now, expecting some amount of volatility, but this candle is a good candle. Otherwise, we might have thought about even exiting, but it looks like a good candle. It might create some amount of volatility over here to go up, but let's see what happens. Now it will be difficult for going down. I would say it's really difficult. Even though it might seem that it's going down, but right now the market is quite positive. Even we got a buy. Okay, if you have taken in the money, then there is no problem. 359. Didn't make a red candle, it's just going up. So we are waiting and we still have the position open. Let's see what happens. It's going good, more than 50 points right now. Hmm, waiting. Okay, it's going down. Let's see till what level it goes. Still holding the buy. We are still in a buy. Let's see if we achieve our target. Okay. Oops, I was in mute. Sorry. I was saying that we had taken the trade just at this level. Okay. And still at a profit. We are waiting for Bank Nifty to boom from here. Just checking Nifty. Okay, this is what is causing a problem. Nifty is the one pushing Bank Nifty down because there is a terrible zone over here. It needs to cross. So there might be some negativity, no doubt about it, but I think that it can break it. It's ongoing. Highly volatile. Seems like the market has become slow over here. There might create some amount of volatility. Oh my god. Oh my god. Slow. The market is slow. Nifty is staying at that level. That means that it might break it. It's getting weaker. The resistance over here is definitely getting a bit weaker because Nifty is sticking right to it. It's moving in our direction.